Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with another video. As you can see, I have a very special person.
Hello.
Hello. Her name is Acacia. She's a good friend of mine. We haven't known each other long. How long have we known each other?
Couple years.
Couple years. That's a long time. Okay, we've known each other for a long time. She wanted to help me make some content for my channel, and she volunteered her gorgeous face for me to experiment and throw random colors on it.
Random colors.
So yeah, stick around and see what I do to her face. Okay.
Kind of weird.
So I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer to warm up her face.
What are you doing with your face?
Styling. That looks a little intense on camera.
It doesn't now.
Okay, we'll fix it. It's fine.
You're a little too.
It's fine. Oh, also, I forgot to say something. I already put her foundation, concealer, and powder and eyebrows on.
Yes,
Just for the sake of time. So that's why we're starting with like the bronzer and stuff, because she's already got the stuff on. I'm sorry. You're making me forget.
Oh, I'm making you forget.
You're making me forget. Sorry, fault.
Oh, is it now?
It is. Sorry, fault.
She always blames me for everything.
I do not. Only when it's your fault, which is all the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you?
What is this?
Be yourself.
Exactly. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of blush. I hit pan. Did you just happy dance? She just happy danced. How dare you? I don't even happy dance like a loss of makeup. See, I don't even have to add blush to make her face red. I just have to make her cry by laughing. I didn't know it.
Something does not like you, does it?
It really doesn't. Okay, so now that we've added the blush and the bronzer, now we're gonna do the eyeshadow. Now we're moving on to her eyes. I'm going to take this fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to, I don't know the color yet, but buff something into her crease.
Buff something into the crease. It's so like pretty to see it up close.
Okay, I have a color.
Should I be scared?
Look at the color and tell me.
Okay. Okay.
I'm terrified.
Terrified.
Okay. Okay, that looks blue. That's the green screen. Okay, that's just not fair.
Maybe try to do this. No, that didn't work. Okay.
Okay, the color is yellow. I'm going in with yellow.
That's why I'm scared.
Yellow, I swear it's yellow. What if it reads? If this looks blue, we're gonna turn blue. She's either gonna end up with yellow eyeshadow or blue eyeshadow.
What?
I'm just saying what it reads.
I can't even see it.
Okay, that works. I was looking at the screen.
Oh, great.
Oh, okay. So it reads blue.
I see ya. Somewhat.
Alrighty, we're gonna do blue. Okay, we're just gonna cover it in white. Cool. That covers it enough. I'm shaping.
Looking very shiny.
You want purple?
No, I don't want purple. Don't get so excited.
Okay, I'm gonna list out colors and I want you to give me a reaction.
Green. thing, but St. Patty's Day. Blue. You know, I love blue, but on my eyes.
Red. Bronze. Pink.
I also don't want pink. I'm not working with you.
Give me something. Which one of these large amount of colors speaks out to you? Okay, we're just gonna dip it in colors.
That's totally fine.
She has a crease shade.
She has a crease shade.
We've done something.
Oh, great.
That shows up. It's red.
It's orange.
This color.
Sorry.
She now has orange.
What are you doing, May?
I don't know.
Because that inspires confidence.
We'll get there. It's a process.
So I don't feel like this is actually going to turn out to be really pretty.
Because I'm an artiste. So now I'm just darkening up the outer edge. So now I'm going to take that red and a little bit of that dark brown and mix them on a little, I'm going to take it on a little fluffy brush. And then I'm going to smoke out her lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm taking a very similar brush, but it's a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to go in with like an orange, and go underneath what we just smoked out. I put the red, and then I went with the dark brown on the outer edge. And then to soften it, I went back in with like that orange and kind of yellow to soften out the top.
Ooh, that's pretty.
So now we're going in with the metallic-y, copper, shiny, glittery eyeshadow for the center of the lid. It's complete. Now we're going to highlight the inner corner with like a light gold shade. Okay, so now I'm just taking a very flat brush. It's not rounded at all, it's just like this. And I'm dipping that into the black in the palette, and I'm just going to very softly do like a very light line across the top, so it gives the illusion of like thicker lashes and almost like there's eyeliner, but there's not eyeliner. Okay, look up in your eyes. I'm just dusting away the fallout.
Dusting away my eyes.
She's gonna do her own mascara. She would feel safer doing her own mascara.
What does it remind me of?
What?
Rose Red. The scary movie.
Never seen it. Oh man, are you done yet?
She does this all the time.
She's forever.
I do not.
Alrighty.
Okay.
It's the Jeffree Star Platinum Ice. I like it. I like it a lot. My nail!
What did you do?
I made a little tiny mark. Oh, fixed it. Fixed it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to take the multi wiper ink, and then we're going to take Canary Bling, which is the more gold shade. Probably gonna end up mixing highlighters. Tanya.
I wonder how they come up with these shades.
Yeah, it's Jeffree Star.
You should see how many products she has to confirm that.
I like Jeffree Star, and his products are amazing. Okay.
Okay, it's not that bad. She could have the entire collection, but she doesn't. It's bad.
I don't want the entire collection.
My point for this.
All of these.
She has shades she can't even wear just because they're Jeffree Star.
Let me have my Jeffree Star.
This is gonna turn into a let's talk about Jeffree Star channel.
Shut up.
I think you've mentioned him in every video so far.
Okay, so I'm now going to mix in another highlighter on top of it. I don't know why I'm using the tips of her nose, or the tips of my nose. It's like my thing.
Apparently.
The tip of the nose.
fridge.
That. She is now blinding. I just nailed it. What do we think so far?
Oh no, I kind of love it, honestly.
Like the more I look at it.
You would never wear this out in public.
Why? I would.
Would you?
Yeah. It's funny because this isn't that extreme to me.
Is it really not?
No.
Okay, but you see what I wear day to day.
Yeah, she doesn't go very intense with her eyeshadow.
Like, I'm just recently starting to actually wear makeup. I probably shouldn't admit that.
Okay, now for the lips. Oh boy.
I got it!
Hey! Okay, so now we're going in with a liquid lipstick, Jeffree Star, in shade Mayfair. Tell you, this is worse than rocket science.
What, they on lipstick?
Yeah, on another person. It's like, this is wearable.
For you, maybe?
Okay, that's fine. I also don't really care. I'm like, hey, you know what? I feel like I'm gonna wear blue eyeshadow today.
No, you don't. You don't do that.
I could.
You could.
I
But-
don't,
You don't.
but I could.
If you have blue blood.
I like it. It looks really good on you.
Should I do gloss?
I think this one will be really pretty. You can't really see it, but it is super pretty. I'm just gonna do a little bit. It's like gold and sparkly. Just on the center. Just a little. Yep, yep. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, I think I'm done with her face. I think I did things to it. It's your hair how you like it. So, I think we're done. I did her face. I like it. It's a little intense for her, but I'm pushing her out of her comfort zones. What do you think? Do you like it?
I do like it. Like you said, though, it's definitely intense for me.
It pulls on her red hair.
Oh, pulls on my red hair. Okay.
Yeah, she's a little ginger. I think it turned out really well. I like it a lot. It's pretty. I think it suits her. So I hope you guys liked it. I know it wasn't that big of a tutorial, but it was just really fun, and I hope you guys were entertained by our
Banter?
nerdiness.
Got two?
Us. I hope you stick around. More videos will be coming. Subscribe, like the video, and yeah, there'll be a lot more coming. Anything else you want to say?
Nope, I think that's about it.
Do you want to do my sign off with me?
No.
Time to sign off. Are you ready?
No, I'll do it then.
All right. See you guys next time. Da-da-da-da-da. Bye. Woo!
Oh, you're actually doing stuff?
Don't side eye me.
I can see. Don't make me flop you. I would actually flop you. You.
Da-da-da-da. Bye.
We should do it like one more time just so I
Okay,
actually
ready?
know it.
1, 2, 3. Da-da-da-da. Bye. But you gotta go over the forehead.
Oh yeah, I didn't know you did that.
Edit out this
Whole thing.
the entire video.